Hi, I'm Catherine in Product Support and welcome to Lessonbee. Lessonbee is a transformative online education platform that promotes health and lifelong learning for millions of students and professionals. We are here to enable users to find their path to a healthy future. Lessonbee offers a comprehensive health education curriculum with over 300 age-appropriate health education topics to choose from, with new content added daily. Our health education curriculum meets parents' and district requirements and is aligned with the National Health Education Standards, New York State Education Department, Illinois State Board of Education, the Sexuality Information and Education Council of the United States, and Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. We provide culturally relevant health education content through interactive, self-paced lessons and assessments that promote mental and emotional well-being. We use designed adaptivity to create culturally relevant digital learning experiences that feature diverse characters and stories and role play to develop empathy, critical thinking, and decision-making skills. Our in-depth intuitive video-based lessons and courses and interactive components will allow learners to save and track their progress. With interactivity, adaptivity, reflections, and fully rendered illustrations bringing these topics to life, students are fully engaged throughout the learning experience. Here's a sneak peek of our mental health and healthy intimate relationship lessons. With Lessonbee 3.0, students can take control of their health. Students can track their progress in a holistic approach through My Health Dashboard, create targets for learning, and the ability to access and follow theme collections. Instructors, on the other hand, can create classes, courses, and lessons, create public and private classes, invite unlimited learners to their classes, create, share, and follow featured collections, and publish and sell content via Lessonbee. Lessonbee also integrates with commonly used school technology systems. Whether you're a student or a teacher, together we can lead a path towards a healthier future. Thank you for watching!